tell her every day. Yeah, I know when I compliment her she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me do I look okay, I say when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day